Alright, so I actually found a good tool. This hacksaw blade is doing a fine job of getting rid of the great big gigantic globs of gook that are on here. So, kind of carve these babies off. Pretty cool. They look kind of weird. And they aren't helping anything. But I wasn't paying attention to my camera. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen to this now, but well, I'll keep you posted. The experiment continues. You definitely don't want to be doing this unless you truly have a speeder. Alright?